What if everything you ever told ChatGPT, your goals, your ideas, your struggles, could actually turn into a real plan you could follow? I asked ChatGPT to break down exactly what I need to grow as an entrepreneur. Then I used Gamma to turn that into something I can actually see, follow, and build on. Now, you know I'm very passionate about this. And guess what it made? It's not just a plan, it's a full 12-month roadmap based on me. Oh my goodness. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's get our personal growth on. So instead of random goals, this breaks my growth down month by month. Each one focused on a specific skill I need to level up my content, my business, and my income. From improving my brand and speeding up my workflow to landing better brand deals and building long-term income streams. Every step builds on the last. But the real moment for me was seeing it all laid out visually. It made everything click. This isn't just advice sitting in a chat anymore. It's something I can actually follow, track, and turn into real results. Let me show you what I've done. All right, so I told you all about this roadmap. I'm about to get started, okay, with my career here. All right, so I'm connecting Gamma with ChatGPT. Okay, so now here's Gamma. We're going to connect the two. All right, so now I connect Gamma. Make sure it says reference memories and chats. Please click that little button right there. Make sure it's highlighted blue, and we're going to connect them, okay? All right, continue. Now, it is connecting to my Gamma account. ChatGPT is going to work with Gamma today. I'm so excited. Oh, my goodness. It's going to help me. It's going to help me be a better entrepreneur now. All right, it is connecting. I'm going to allow it, and it is connected. Okay, so now Gamma and ChatGPT are working together. What are you working on? Let me put the prompt in. Based on everything you know about me, Chat, create a personalized 12-month entrepreneur growth plan. Break it out into monthly themes, each with a specific skill to learn, clear 30-day goals, and actionable steps I can follow to grow my business, content, and income. Formatted in a structured way that can be turned into a visual roadmap or presentation. Let's get it. And you could put your goals in, okay? So it's going to turn my goals into a whole presentation. All right? With the help of Gamma. I'm excited to have them work together. Oh my goodness. Look at all the information it's pulling up about me. Oh, I'm a little scared. No, this is going to be exciting. Here we go. Here we go. Create a business goal. All right. Now you can do this. You might want to get in shape for the summer, lose weight, learn how to be a better chef, or someone that wants to really know how to cook healthy dishes. This is what you can do. Get all that information about you, prompt it to ChatGPT, have Gamma connected, and get your goals. Get your goals. I'm doing the 12-month goals. Each month it's going to give me ways that I can better myself as a content creator, okay? Clear goals, actionable goals. All right, so here we go. And I can edit in Gamma, by the way. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. I edit some of the pictures, but check this out. It's telling me right now that I have to build a repeatable workflow, script, film, edit, publish, repurpose. I need to start doing that, okay? Batch 2 scripts at a time. I don't do that. I usually do 1 script at a time. I do need to batch 2 scripts at a time. Month 3, got a whole map for me to do. Build a personal AI toolkit and create custom prompts for every content need. Okay, that's a great idea. Sponsorship, sales, and negotiations. I like that. Okay, if you're a content creator, this is perfect for you. You're an entrepreneur, this is perfect for you. If you're, I don't know what you're starting, maybe starting a new business, this is perfect for you. If you're a mom, you have goals, you have things you want to do with your children, This is what you need to do. Okay, it's getting all the information from me. Evergreen content, so important. I know we always do like themes and Christmas and stuff, but you want videos that can play all year round. Okay, wow. Look at this. Create and promote one live or recorded workshop on an affiliate friendly topic. Oh, I'm going to start doing that. Review top 20 videos. Okay. All right. So now I need to check into the analytics more. It's telling me. All right. So I can improve on it and see what I'm doing wrong to improve on it. AI tool setup. Okay. Help brands or creators improve their YouTube strategy and scripting. That's not bad. That's not bad. Pull 3 clips from every long form video for short reels. You have to do that. If you're a content creator, you have to also make short reels and put them on all social media. That's a must. Partnerships with networking. Build a list of 30 potential partners, brands, recruiters, creators, and software companies. That's smart. Send 5 outreach emails per week. If you're a content creator, you need to be sending out emails every day, hitting up companies, showing what you got. Show them that you can represent them. That's genius right there. Create a year-end business dashboard covering revenue, content, and audience. That's smart. At the end of the year, this is what you accomplished. This is what you still need to accomplish. 5 wins, 5 lessons you learned. Set 3 major goals for year 2. So, all right, you finished up that year. Now you got to move on to the following year. I love that. Keep it going. Keep it going. Track and improve every 30 days. Commit to the skill. Learn one new skill every single month without exception. I love that. I love that idea. I don't care if you're an entrepreneur or you're a student. You need to have a goal. It's like SMART goals, actionable goals. Each month, I'm going to learn a new language. I'm going to do this. I'm going to start my book I always wanted to start. I'm going to start eating healthier. I'm going to start cooking this. I'm going to start taking long walks. I'm going to start meeting new people. I'm going to start dating. Whatever it is, ChatGPT can help you, and let Gamma put it all together so you can see it visually. You want to see the goal. When you see it, it's like almost like the boards that people make, these nice visual boards where they go, I want to do this, I want to do that, it's the same thing. It's digital. You can print them out, or you just have it on your phone, have it on your laptop every day. Okay, I did this, this, and this. I need to do this. I love that about Gamma, because you can see what you want to do. When you can visualize it, you see it, then you can believe it, then you can achieve it. If you want to try this for yourself, just ask ChatGPT something about you, your goals, your habits, or where you're trying to go. Then use Gamma to turn it into something you can actually see and follow. You might be surprised how much it already knows and how clear your next steps can become. You need to give it a try now. This was so much fun today. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, share, hype this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try creating with Gamma. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.